A couple of months ago here was the beginning of strawberry season, and there are still plenty of fresh strawberries available in the stores. But that always makes me think about something. That's this here. You've seen them, chocolate and strawberries. Strawberries dipped in melted milk chocolate. Yum, right? You know what I'm talking about. And it got me thinking about smoothies. And I was wondering, what would a chocolate strawberry smoothie be like? Well, I can't quite do the smoothie yet because my avocados over there aren't ripe enough yet. Maybe tomorrow or the day after they will be. But I got to wondering about my new Vitamix disc container. It has a disc in the bottom rather than blades. And I was wondering, what if I made like a lemonade, a strawberry aid with a little bit of chocolate in it? What would that taste like? Well, there's only one way to find out. So I'm going to make this chocolate strawberry aid. I'm going to start by putting in about 1.25 cups of cold water. This is water that was in the refrigerator. I keep cold water in there, especially during the summer. So 1.25 cups, that's about 300 milliliters. I'm going to put my strawberries in there. These were frozen. I have here about 2/3, 3/4 of a cup of strawberries. They were frozen, then thawed in the refrigerator. That's about 80 grams by weight. Those will blend up a lot because they've been frozen and therefore they don't have a lot of texture to hold them together. So they'll blend up in there. I have some cocoa powder here. And I'm going to put in about 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. That's good. All right. And then 2 packets. I have some stevia here. 2 packets. Pour that in there. And then a few ice cubes. Maybe 3 ice cubes here. Those 2 are stuck together. All right, put my lid on, and that's ready to blend. And I should mention, you could do this in a standard blender. There's nothing about those contents that requires this jar other than those ice cubes. If you have a blender jar that would be damaged by ice, just use the very cold water and then put the ice cubes in the drink after you mix it up. Turn my blender on. Start at number 1. I'm not going to turn this up to high, maybe up to half full speed. Blend for about 30 seconds. That's been 30 seconds. All right, let's pour this into a glass. I knew this was going to be kind of a muddy color, and it is. Let those ice cubes go in there because they'll help to keep the drink cold. All right, let's see what it tastes like. It looks good, but it's dark. All right, gonna taste this. Okay, it's got a really good strawberry flavor to it. And the chocolate, I can taste it, but it doesn't stand out as like, oh, chocolate milk. That is really quite good. And it's refreshing too, and it's cold. And there's a jet going overhead. Yes, I live near the airport. So, excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my chocolate strawberry aid.